Welcome. This tutorial is part 1 of composing messages in Microsoft Outlook. In this tutorial, we will learn how to address a message and how to format a message. To address a message, go to File menu, point to New, click on Mail Message. Type the recipient's name in the box next to CC and BCC box. You can separate the names by using a semicolon between two names. Write the subject in the subject box. You can assign a level of importance to your message. You can set a message as high priority or low priority. Now, to set the expiration date, go to Options tab. Click on More Options. This will open Message Options dialog box. Now, under Delivery Options, check the box which shows expires after. Select the date. Click on Close. Now we will learn how to format a message. To add background color to your message, go to Options tab. Under the Themes group, select Page Color. You can also change the font style, the theme color. To change the font style of the text, go to Message tab. Under Basic Text group, you can change the font style, the font size. You can also change the font color. To add graphics to your mail, go to Insert menu. Under the Illustrations group, click on Picture. Select a picture from your computer and click on Insert. Now, to add tables to your message, click on Table. Select the grid or the number of rows and columns you want to add. This is how you can add graphics and table in your message. Now, to send this message, click on Send. You have now learned how to address and format a message in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you.